Hello, good evening. Today I am going to present a presentation on the topic of DFDS. My student ID number is P2838082. In the first slide of presentation, I have written company introduction. DFDS was founded in 1866 by Danish financier Carl Fredrik Teigen in Copenhagen. The company's mission, We Move for All to Grow, reflects its commitment to supporting people and businesses through transportation. DFDS operates in over 20 countries, connecting trade and travel across Northern Europe and Turkey. It offers a wide range of service, including freight transport by sea, land, and rail, as well as passenger ferry service. With around 14,000 employees as of 2024, DFDS is a major player in European logistics sector. The company is actively working toward net zero emission by 2050 with a strong moving to green strategy targeting 2030 for significant reduction. The main competitors include Maersk Line, Stena Line, P&O Ferries, and Brittany Ferries. As I have written some notes also, as it was founded in 1866 by C.F. Teigen, began as a merger of four Danish steamship companies with the mission to connect people and businesses across borders. By the early 90s, it operated one of the world's largest fleets, playing a vital role in global trade, helping farmers export goods, transporting immigrants to the US, and maintaining supply line during both world wars. Innovation has always been DFDS course. In the 1960s, it introduced one of the first roll-on roll-off RO freight service, revolutionizing vehicle and cargo transport. The company expanded into logistics in the 1970s and continued growing through key acquisitions like Dane Transport and Norfolk Line. Today, DFDS is leading European shipping and logistics group with a strong focus on digital transformation and customer-centric solution. It operates both freight and passenger service, mainly across the North Sea, Baltic Sea, and English Channel. DFDS competes with major players like Maersk Line, Stena Line, P&O Ferries, and Brittany Ferries. Its core includes manufacturer, retailer, logistic provider, and travelers. All serve under its guiding purpose, We Move for All to Grow. And in the second slide of my presentation, I have written Overview of Supply Chain Management. Supply chain handles the flow of goods from raw materials to customers. It ensures timely delivery, right pricing, and minimal waste. Includes suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. Aims to add customer value, boost efficiency, cut cost, and stay competitive. The supply chain is the process of getting products from raw material to the final customers. It involves steps like sourcing materials, manufacturing, storage, transportation, and delivery. The goal is to make sure products are available on time, at the right price, and with minimal waste. A strong supply chain works by connecting suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, logistics, and retailers. It uses tools like inventory management and tracking to improve efficiency. Technology and data helps speed up processes and reduce cost. A good supply chain helps businesses meet customer needs, stay competitive, and lower cost. And here is my introduction to SCORE model framework. The supply chain operation reference model was developed by APICS to help organizations manage, measure, and improve their supply chain performance. It breaks down the supply chain into 6 key areas: plan, source, make, deliver, return, and enable. APICS provided standard ways to measure how well this area performs using metrics like speed, cost, and reliability. They also included helpful practices for companies to follow, defined the skill needed for supply chain roles, and built the model in layer from high-level processes to detailed step. In SCORE version, APICS added it updated for sustainability, digital tools, and new trends. and they introduce a step-by-step method to guide improvement projects. Plan. Create strategy to forecast demand, manage inventory, and prepare for risks. Source. Find and manage suppliers to ensure you get quality materials at the best price. Make. Turn raw materials into finished product efficiently while maintaining quality. Deliver. Ensure products are delivered on time and accurately to customers. Return. Handle returns and manage the process of restocking or recycling products. Enable. Use digital tools and data to support and improve the supply chain processes. And here is my conceptual framework of DFDS supply chain. Number one, inbound logistic, receiving goods via sea and road. DFDS begins its operation by sourcing goods through an extensive network of ports and transport corridors. It receives cargo from suppliers using sea and road transport, ensuring timely and cost-efficient inbound flow. Number two, warehouse management, sorting and preparing good for delivery. Once good arrives, they are directed to DFDS operated warehouse where they are sorted, stored, and made ready for further distribution. These facilities often includes industry-specific solutions such as temperature-controlled zone or cross-docking service. Number 3. Transport and distribution, ferries and truck across Europe. At the core of DFDS supply chain is a strong transport network. Goods are moved across Europe using a combination of ferry and road transport, allowing flexibility, speed, and border crossing efficiency. Number 4. Customer fulfillment, tailored delivery solution. DFDS customized delivery solution to fit client and industry need, whether it's just-in-time delivery for factories or bulk shipping for retails. They offer service like direct-to-store delivery, packaging, and even last-mile logistic. Number 5. Digital and analytics, tracking and data optimization. The company employs real-time tracking system, digital booking platforms, and logistic analytics. This tool helps enhance visibility, improve route planning, reduce delays, and optimize customer satisfaction. Analyzes key supply chain processes, plan, forecasting for freight and passenger volumes, capacity planning, especially seasonally, sustainable planning, green fuels and emission goals, route and terminal network optimization. Planning is central to DFD's ability to manage demand across its extensive network. The company uses data-driven demand forecasting to predict freight and passenger flows, especially during seasonal peaks. This supports efficient capacity planning and helps reduce operational costs by avoiding overcapacity. DFDS also applies network design principles to optimize ferry routes and logistic corridor across Europe. Investment in green initiatives like alternative fuels and emission tracking so long-term strategic planning aligns with sustainability. Analyzes key supply chain processes, sourcing, long-term suppliers, partnership for fuel, port, access, etc. Digital platforms for procurement visibility, outsourcing for flexibility in custom and delivery, focus on cost efficiency and risk reduction. DFTS maintains strong relationship with suppliers for key inputs such as fuel, maintenance service, and port operations. The company used digital procurement system to streamline sourcing and improve visibility and control. By using strategic partnership, DFTS ensure consistency in operation and service quality. It also outsources non-core logistic functions such as last mile delivery and customs handling in certain regions to enhance flexibility. This choice aligns with Jacobs and Chase being offshore as both a cost and risk management strategy. Analyzes key supply chain processes, delivery, core strength, ferry plus inland logistic integration, real-time tracking and customer booking tools, use of TMS for efficient routing and scheduling, high visibility, reliable service across Europe. Delivery is the heart of DFDS business model. The company offers integrated logistics solution combining ferry service with trucking and rail for end-to-end cargo movement. DFDS leverages transport management service to optimize delivery routes and schedules. It uses of real-time tracking, digital booking systems, and cargo visibility tools, improve customer experience and ensure operational reliability. Key principle in modern supply chain deliver. Customer satisfaction is supported by fast, visible, and flexible service that meets B2B and B2C expectation. And here is the fishbone challenges that faced by DFDS. The fishbone diagram shows the main reason DFDS face delays, higher cost, and unhappy customers. It breaks the problem into key areas. People. There is a lack of trained staff, high employee turnover, and not enough training on new system. Fatigue and labor issue also cause disruption. Processes. Slow port operation, custom delays, and poor route planning leads to longer delivery time and wasted resource. Materials and supply. Shortage of containers, spare parts, and over reliance on third parties make it hard to keep things moving smoothly. Machine and equipment. Old trucks and ship breakdown often. Some terminals lack automation and IT system failures also create downtime. Data and tracking. DFTS struggles with real-time tracking and measuring performance, making it hard to fix problems quickly. Environment. Issues like Brexit, fuel prices, and strict environmental rules affect operations. Global crises like pandemic also plays a role. Slow delivery. Congested ports, bad weather, and weak last mile deliveries slow everything down. And here is the improvement and solution for DFDS. Adopt a responsive transportation strategy if the businesses value speed and flexibility. Use network optimization need to elegance routing with customer demand zone. Use advanced route optimization software that consider traffic, weather, and fuel uses. Incorporate real-time data into route decision like GPS tracking and dynamic scheduling. Train staff to understand and use the new tools efficiently. Monitor like delivery time, on time percentage, and fuel use to adjust and improve over time. Tackling DFTS inefficient route planning could significantly enhance logistic performance. Implementing a responsive transportation strategy enable quicker adjustment to routes disruption, improving delivery reliability and customer satisfaction. Network optimization tools help elegance transport path with customer location, reducing unnecessary travel time and fuel usage. Advanced route planning software that integrates traffic, weather, and fuel data can further streamline operations. By using GPS tracking and dynamic scheduling, DFTS can make real-time route change, minimizing delays. Training staff to efficiently operate this technology ensures smoother adoption and utilization. Monitoring key performance indicators like delivery time, fuel efficiency, and on time rate supports continuous improvement. Together, this solution increase route efficiency, cut cost, and boost overall supply chains agility. And here is my conclusion of the presentation. Planning well is important for managing global operations smoothly. Using technology and data helps make better and faster decisions. Working well with others in the supply chain avoid delays and build trust. A good supply chain helps businesses grow and keep customer happy. And here is my references. Thank you so much.